Welcome! Today we're diving into the latest update on how to send a highlight link to a group on Instagram using your PC. This step-by-step guide will help you easily share those special moments with your friends or group members. First, start by opening your web browser and navigating to Instagram.com. Once you're on the site, log into your account if you haven't already. Next, find the profile that contains the highlight you want to share. You can do this by using the search bar at the top of the page. Once you're on their profile, scroll down until you see their bio section. Directly underneath their bio, you'll find the highlights they've created. Now, click on the highlight that interests you. This will open up the story associated with that highlight. To grab the link, look at the address bar of your browser. Here, you'll see the URL of the story. To copy this link, right-click anywhere in the address bar and select Copy from the drop-down menu. This action saves the link to your clipboard, making it ready for sharing. Next, locate the messenger icon on the left side menu of your Instagram page. Click on it to open your direct messages. Find and enter the group chat where you'd like to send the highlight link. Once you're in the group chat, simply right-click in the message box and select Paste. This will insert the link you just copied into the chat. After pasting, hit Enter or click Send to share it with your group, and there you have it. You've successfully sent a highlight link to your group on Instagram using your PC. This new update makes sharing memories with friends easier than ever, allowing everyone to enjoy those special moments together. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on using Instagram effectively. Happy sharing!